Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix this error. If you cannot install your software or can't update your PC for the same reason, then follow these instructions. Go to your PC, right click Manage, then go to these directions here, scroll down and search for Windows Updates. Click, then change this value to automatic, then go to recovery and change the value. Go once again and click on apply, then click on start. Click on OK. Now go and check the updates. First you have to update your PC, then install your software. Now you can install the software normally. Thank you for watching.